Hey guys, today we are next to an Audi, and over here I have a set of replacement windscreen washers, and those have different nozzle design than the standard ones. Those should be mist windscreen washers. So I'm going to replace one, let's say replace this one, and we will compare the standard one with this one, so you know what this upgrade is all about. And after that, of course, I will change the other one. And there are versions for different Audi models, and with heated washers and without heated washers, so make sure which one you have before ordering one. And okay, let's replace this one and let's check how's the difference. Alright, so now ignition on. Let's close windows and let's check. Radio off, and let's check. Too low, but happily there's a adjustment screw that we can use to bring it a little bit higher. Okay, so you can see the adjustment screw over here. If you rotate it counterclockwise, you will bring up this spray nozzle. So I have my windscreen wipers in service position already to have better access to the washer, and right now I'm going to adjust it, check how it works, and then replace the other one and adjust it as well. Okay, both done, and right now we can check if both are working. Okay, still needs some adjustment, but those mist washers are, I believe, much better than the standard ones. Okay, so in the description below this video you will find some details about this modification. You will find a link to AliExpress if you want to buy a set of those for your car. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this short tutorial, and subscribe for future ones.